Ever since I started creating videos for YouTube over the past few months, receiving messages like this has become so common that it has completely changed my perspective and the way I see the online space. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Syria, and on this channel I create content related to learning digital skills and how you can monetize the skills. And in today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you why YouTube is the best platform for you to actually start up with content creation, or for you to actually start up to build an online business for yourself, or to start making extra income on the side. So if you're looking up on the side hustle which you can actually start today and start making a lot of profit to build your own portfolio, build your personality, gain courage and just some influence on the internet, YouTube is the right platform for you. And to be sincere with you, my life has completely changed ever since I started creating content, because the first thing that actually YouTube does for you is making you join a global village. What I actually mean by join a global village is this: you can actually meet with any kind of person on YouTube. I was so shocked on the first day that I received a comment from one of my favorite content creation channels where I was learning how to design in Canva over the past few years, and when I started creating my own videos, they literally commented on my video requesting me to show them how to do something. So it was so exciting for me, and that has been a big motivation to me, making me know and for you to also know that it is very easy to reach out to any person on the internet as far you are able to solve a particular problem, offer value, or show up your service to these people. All you need to do is start, and YouTube is the best platform for you to start creating content, to gain that authority, that power, and that reaching out energy that the internet has given to every person on the planet right now. So if you are thinking on where you can start, YouTube is the best place for you to join this global village that you can actually connect with all forms of people around the world. So the first thing, and another thing which YouTube also does for you, is building of confidence. To be real with you, ever since I started teaching people on YouTube, like I'm actually explaining to you now, I gained a very high level of confidence, because the first thing you need to know is, before recording a video, every single video a YouTuber records and upload, there's a ton of research that is done, because I don't want to upload crap here and put up and people come and say, hey, this doesn't make sense. You do a lot of research, and it just gives you that confidence that whatever you are saying to somebody or talking about people, you are sure that this is the truth. So it builds you that self-esteem, so that even if you're talking to people out of YouTube, like, you need to just know that, hey, this guy, he's different because he has done a lot of research. You have found out a lot of information, you found out on certain topics that you don't even expect yourself to be doing research in those topics. And this is the best platform for you to get that creative outlet, being expertise in a particular skill. So let's say you're a YouTuber, you're going to be having knowledge in video editing, you're going to be having knowledge in design, you're going to be having knowledge in writing, and it's going to help you to actually speak and smile like I'm doing right now. So YouTube actually gives you that creative outlet for you to be able to showcase whatever you're able to do and learn so many other things. Because to agree with you, every YouTubers that have professional video editors, they have the knowledge in the video editing for them to be able to tell my editor that, hey man, this part I don't really like it this way, I don't really like it, you should have done it this way. And that is what makes a professional and an advanced YouTuber. So to agree with you, I personally, I do my thumbnails, I record my videos, I edit them, I actually look at the camera like I'm looking to you right now. I do almost everything for my YouTube channel. And to be sincere, those are more than 5 skills that people actually learn on a site. So people learn video editing, people learn graphic design, people actually learn content writing, people actually learn scripting, people actually learn how to talk and do voiceover. But to me, all of those things are a side task when I want to upload a video. My prime focus is uploading a video, but discover that you get to do a lot of things. So YouTube actually helps you to get that creative outlet, and leading me to my second point, that YouTube gives you the opportunity to learn so many skills. So if you are thinking of starting up a YouTube channel and you're like, hey man, see, when you're on YouTube, you are going to learn so many things from your own colleagues on YouTube, from your own self, and from your own audience. And to be sincere with you, comments have led me to do tons of research. People actually ask you certain questions, and you as a teacher, the YouTuber, you need to go and find out what actually this is talking about. You need to get the best answer to reply to these people, because you know so many people are watching. That's why you see a video will get 1,000 views and get the 6 comments, some will get 100 comments, because so many people are watching. People read these comments, people watch this video. So you need to actually say something that makes sense. So if what I'm saying here actually makes sense, please give me a like. I really love a comment. So the next thing that YouTube actually does for you is actually giving you the ability to gain opportunities. See, I've received so many of these messages which I actually showed you, because people want either your service or for you to actually give them an in-depth tutorial on a particular lecture that you made on YouTube. So like for this video, if you're interested in getting details about this, please contact me by my email, my Facebook, my Instagram. You can just smash the link in the description and get to me. And that is how so many people get to reach you when you are creating content on YouTube. So it gives you so many opportunities to grow with you. In the past few months as a freelancer, most of the time I didn't even get to advertise my services because I get a lot of requests just for my subscribers on YouTube without even being monetized by the YouTube partner program. So I just imagine how fantastic it's going to be for me when I start making money from the YouTube partner program and also making money from my freelancing career. So guys, help me reach that milestone by subscribing to this channel and turn notifications so that you keep watching my videos to give me watch hours and the subscribers that YouTube wants, because I know you're already enjoying my videos, right? So the next thing that YouTube actually gives you is money. Listen, YouTube gives you tons of money. So if you're looking on starting up a business, see, YouTube is the best place, because with me personally, I'm building and growing my channel right now. I'm also working on my agency website. Is going to be live very soon, and it's going to be offering, I want to get my services offered in a professional way right now and at a higher standard. So I'm actually going to connect my YouTube channel to my agency. I'm going to connect my YouTube channel to my blog and to my own education platform, which I'm also building and working on it right now. So it's very easy to build a business on top of YouTube. So you can start your channel and add a podcast to it and add your mesh to it, add a lot of things. Like MKBHD literally released a show last week. So if you do not watch that video, just go search out. You'll see how YouTubers are living from just making ordinary videos like this, actually creating branded shoes which people pay for. I really wish I bought the shoes. Cameroon. So listen to me guys, it's so exciting when you're creating videos on YouTube, because sometimes personally I watch my videos about 4 or 5 times after editing the videos. Do you know why? I smile. So if you're not smiling while watching this video, we are losing a lot. So the whole idea I'm about to tell you here and I'm explaining here is that if you're thinking of starting something on YouTube, YouTube is going to give you a very powerful portfolio. I believe that among people I work with, people I talk with, everybody just knows that, hey, this man has done a lot of research. And I believe that even at the company level, with the YouTube channel giving people education on a particular topic, if you go apply for a job on that particular topic, the company will know, definitely know that you have a lot of knowledge, information, expertise and experience on this same topic, because I have 600 subscribers. These people are my subscribers, therefore they listen to whatever I have to say. So that's just it. That's just the whole idea about creating content on YouTube. So if you have been delaying your process of creating a YouTube channel or starting up to make a business online, YouTube channel is the best recommendation I can give to you as a best friend. Hello internet, I'm Cyril and this is the Ciao. See you next one.